New edition of an icon, Mercedes SL, has been revealed, and here you can see the top of the line version, the AMG SL 63 HIGH-TEC Plus with 585 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This model returns to its roots with a classic soft top and sporty character, and thanks to the new 2+2 layout, this luxurious roadster is suitable for everyday use. Main star of the front is the new Panamericana grille that gives it aggressive appearance, and you will also notice the newly designed digital lights. Name of this color is HIGH-TEC Silver, and I quite like this spec. At the market launch, the new SL is available in 12 paint finishes, so customers will have a lot of choices. Rear of the car has got a very nice lines, and slim horizontal LED lights give it a unique appearance on the road. The already mentioned soft top can be opened or closed in about 15 seconds, and it's possible to do it in the speeds of up to 60 km/h. Interior has got the high quality materials, and main star is a central touchscreen, and yes, it is possible to change the incline of the screen itself. Accelerating from 0 to 100 in this car only takes 3.6 seconds, and top speed is 315 km/h. Tell me in your comments, how do you like this new generation of SL?